So, hello everyone. Um, I got a special package in the mail, which we're gonna open up right now on camera. It's an item that I've been wanting for a long while. Um, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. Very excited to pick this up. I was actually buzzing. I was so happy because, well, this is as I just said, an engine that I've been wanting a while. And I paid 30 euros for this guy. And 30 euros for an engine that is not even working, really. He is not like fully working, but we're gonna have a look, shall we? So in here is, oh my gosh. This feels so crazy to hold inside my hand right now. Hold up. In here is his tender, as you can see, it's Tomy Murdoch. Tomy Murdoch is now mine. So as I just said, I bought this guy for 30 euros. His wheels are broken, as you can see. He has a broken gear, but I'm able to fix that, as you can see, because he's turned on and the wheels can move. So, but first of all, I'm gonna take a look at this engine fully. Here is the man himself. Holy shit. Sorry, low battery warning. But here is the man himself. Holy fuck. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. He's in great condition too, as you can see. I mean, Tomy Murdoch, this guy is absolutely phenomenal, as you can see. I mean, there's nothing really to say about him. Here's him with his tender. God damn. Yeah, that's all that was inside this package. I got this guy, as I just said, for 30 euros. And then shipping also came on top of it, so that was like 36. This is the most I've ever paid for an engine. And of course, he's not even working. So I'm excited to take a look at him. And I'm also going to be fixing him. But that's something that I'm going to do off camera. Let's first just see if the motor works, which it does, as you can tell. The gears are spinning inside, but of course, his wheels doesn't move. So, this is going to be something that I'm going to fix up. I will do this off camera, since it might take a little while. But yeah, there you have him. He, of course, isn't working, so yeah, I will see you guys probably in like a second or something when I fix this guy and when we're gonna give him a proper run. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So what was, first of all, he's working now. What was going on was there was a little gear inside the motor that was not fit properly. So it wasn't the wheel set that was broken, but it was a gear that was misplaced inside the motor. Luckily, all the components were inside the motor, so I was able to fix them up just like that by setting the gear back in place. Here I have 2 traction tires that were actually from him. Replaced those as well. There's only one thing going on. He has the tab on the motor that you first put inside the chassis and then place down. That's broken, but that isn't really that big of a problem. What to me matters is that I have a working Tomy Murdoch, and I think it's time we give him a running session, shall we? So let's go. So here we are at the layout. As you can see, he's going to be pulling 3 coaches. So big mighty strong Murdoch should be able to do that. And also in the other line we have Douglas running. I'm gonna give you a quick overlay of my layout, just turning on the light. As you can see, I have 2 separate lines running, so Murdoch and Douglas can run simultaneously. It's very hot up here. We're hitting the summer right now, so that's why I'm a little bit out of breath. But let's send Dougie on his way. Since you guys haven't actually seen him run yet, but he's a great runner. And now let's send our boy Murdoch. There he goes. Oh yes. This guy is looking amazing. Oh, that's okay. I need to fix that in a little sec. But look at this. This is a sight to behold. Wow. And of course, there's Dougie. Douglas is running along quite nicely too. Murdoch's now heading down. This has to be one of my most beautiful track masters right now, since this guy is looking amazing. I need to fix this part in the track real quick. So that's what I'm doing. Since, well, this is a huge hazard. But, as you can see, here's Douglas as well. You guys haven't seen him properly run yet. Really good for a fake track master. I actually really highly recommend you guys pick up one of these, seeing how perfect he is. But Murdoch is coming back along this track. Wow. I mean, what else can you want, bro? This is epic. Tomy Murdoch. Well, I mean, he runs very well too. Here's Douglas, by the way. I'm switching a bit between those two, since you haven't, of course, already seen him run. He runs great. And Murdoch here does too. I mean, this guy is just beautiful. He also has no issues as well. By the way, my Emily had issues, if you remember, inside my Emily review. But I sanded down this part right there, and now she doesn't make any more faults. But yeah. Let's have a look at him coming through one more time. There's Douglas as well. This guy is absolutely beautiful, man. There's not really a lot to say because he's just... wow. He's going to be pulling my express, that's for sure. So I guess that really concludes it for this review of the Tomy Murdoch unboxing. And, oh, he's derailed. Not anymore. But I am so happy I picked this guy up. He is now the most expensive engine inside my collection. Coming in at 30 euros something. I thought the highest that I ever paid for an engine was Spencer. Spencer was 20. But now Murdoch has extorted that and he's gone to 30. So I almost lost this bidding. But yeah, so happy to pick that up. Anyways, that was it for this video. I hope to see you all soon again. I'm not so sure when that is going to be. Probably going to be another unboxing, since that's all I really do at the moment. I don't know when I'm going to also be picking up another engine or something. So that will come, but I just don't know when. So yeah, I will see you guys soon, and I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.